I'm going to show you exactly how to make your own social media templates in Canva using only free tools. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to design aesthetic and reusable templates for any platform, whether that's Facebook, Instagram, or Pinterest, and even generate your own template link to sell online. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, head over to Canva and click Create a Design on the left panel. On the search bar, type the type of social media template you want to make. For example, Facebook post. Canva will automatically open the perfect canvas with the right dimensions for that platform. Once you're inside, the first thing you want to do is choose a color palette. Let's say beige or brown. Go to the Elements tab and in the search bar type that color followed by the word aesthetic. Canva will show you a variety of shapes, textures, and design elements you can use to decorate your canvas. Now, once you've added some background elements, it's time for the most important part, the frames. Head back to Elements and type frames in the search bar. Drag in the frame styles you like, but I recommend using rounded square frames since they look cleaner and more cohesive with most layouts. Repeat the process until you have about 10 to 20 templates ready to go. Once you're happy with your set of templates, click Share, then scroll down and look for the option that says Template Link. This will generate a unique Canva link that lets other people use your designs as templates. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it! You've just created your own set of social media templates in Canva. Simple, reusable, and perfect for boosting your online presence or selling as digital products. If you want to learn how to make your own listing and use this template link we just generated to earn selling digital products, we made a separate video for that. Just click on the pop-up that will appear on your screen. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.